If your Mac running slow, out of storage, heavy, or your system is unstable, well, you are not alone, as this is a common problem with many Mac users, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix that easily. In this video I'm going to review a software called Cleamio, an all-in-one app that promises to optimize, clean, boost Mac performance, and speed up your Mac. If your Mac is full or slow, you simply start deleting files manually, which may include old downloads, unused apps, random folders, and many more. But the problem is that even after deleting those files, your Mac seems slow and the storage still seems full. That's because many files are actually hidden. Junk files, cache data, system leftovers, and other such files remain hidden deep inside your Mac, and this is the reason. But with Cleamio tool, this will change. I will break down how it actually works, does it actually work, how easy it is to use, and whether it's worth installing or not. No marketing hype, just an honest review. And by the way, if you find this video helpful and you would like to support me, the best way to do that is to sign up to Tenorshare Cleamio using my link in the description of this video. So let's get started. So what is Tenorshare Cleamio? It's a tool built just for Macs, and it claims to do a lot such as clean junk files, system cache, app leftovers, and even real-time monitoring of Mac performance statuses, all from one tool. Cleamio tool will help you to clean up junk files, system cache, app leftovers with just a simple one click, quickly find and delete duplicate files, similar photos and large files, batch rename multiple files at once with AI, completely uninstall Mac apps and manage app updates in one place, real-time monitoring and management of various Mac performance statuses, and free up Mac storage, boost Mac performance, and speed up your Mac. If you scroll down here, you will see more of the software features. The software offers a cleaning tools to clean your Mac in just a few clicks. Users clean an average of 50 to 280 gigabytes of junk files per month. This software also can speed up Mac to 0.7x faster startup time and 2.5x quicker response time. It can quickly find and delete duplicate files, similar photos, and large files. Doing so will allow you to keep the important files only and help you get more free space. This will completely clear app cache, system junk, logs, DMG leftovers, and hidden clutter in one click. This way, Tenorshare Cleamio instantly frees up gigabytes of space, boosts Mac speed, and extends SSD life. The combination of decluttering features like safe cleanup, smart uninstaller, and duplicate finder gives digital junk no chance of surviving on your disk. What's more, Cleamio tool can organize files on your Mac, so say goodbye to duplicates and clutter. It can detect and delete duplicated files, remove similar images, and find large files. It can also batch rename files with AI and uninstall apps completely and manage updates smartly. Now let's download the software. Tenorshare Cleamio has over 150 plus million downloads and 4.8 of 5 stars. So go ahead and download it for free. Alright, the software is now downloading. Once downloaded, go ahead and install it. Now just move it to apps folder. Once installed, go ahead and open it. And as you can see, this is the software and this is the main interface. Everything happens through one dashboard, which makes it easy to control. So this is all the software features. I will quickly test and explain the software features. So here first we have junk files. It will clear app cache, system junk, logs, DMG leftovers, and hidden clutter in one click. And this feature is 100% free. Just click scan and wait for it. And as you can see, the software found about 4 GB of junk files. I'm using this feature almost every day. So here just select what you want to remove and then click Smart Clean Up. If it asks you to enter a password, just type your Mac password and hit enter. And as you can see, junk files has been removed. It's that simple. The second option we have here is duplicate files. It's one of the best features that I'm using. It can scan and detect the duplicated files on your Mac. Just click start and wait for the software to find the duplicated files. It may take some time depending on the data you have on your Mac. As you can see, the software found over 25,000 duplicate files with 40 GB. Just select it and review the duplicated items and remove remove the unwanted files. You can filter the files by photos, videos, audios, and others. It's a good way to free up some space. The next option we have here is similar photos. With this option, you can find and remove duplicate photos, blurry shots, burst mode images, and similar photos to clean your photo library. Reclaim valuable storage space and keep only your best memories. And as you can see, over 21,000 similar photos were found. Now you can remove the similar photos and get more free space. The next option is large files. Cleamio's large file finder quickly locates space-hogging files like 4K videos, raw photos, and old archives. Just click scan and wait for it. And as you see, this is the result. Now you can see the large files on your Mac and remove the unwanted files to free up more storage and make your Mac run faster in seconds. It's a good way to remove large files in seconds. With AI file rename, you can batch rename files like photos, documents, and other on your Mac using advanced AI. Quickly organize messy folders, standardize file names, and manage large numbers of files, saving you time while keeping your Mac clean. And finally, with app management option, you can easily update your apps with ease. It will find all the newer versions of the apps you use. With one click, you can update any app you want, and that's it. This option also includes app uninstallation. This will easily uninstall unused apps and free up more space. In app updates option, you can update your apps to the latest version. And in residual files option, apps deleted manually leave residual files. You can remove useless data with Cleamio. There is even a quick access tool in the Mac menu bar. As you see, you can quickly run junk cleaning, speed tests, check CPU and memory usage, manage startup items, and quickly empty the trash. So you can quickly check your Mac's health without opening the full app. That's great if you just want to do a quick check-in during the day. And this is all the software features. My final thoughts. So this is Tenorshare Cleamio. You don't need to manually removing junk or large files. Tenorshare Cleamio just does it for you. It's all designed to give you more space, more speed, and maximum performance without needing to mess with settings or install extra apps. Cleamio is a good choice overall. It combines protection, cleanup, and optimization in one app, and that kind of convenience is hard to beat. So there you have it. If you want to give Tenorshare Cleamio a try, check out the links in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.